So as you can see, I got the red ring of death. The one light red ring. I thought this Xbox would still be okay, but it all started this morning when I was going to start working on it again. There was an error. Now I've got the stuff. So system error, contact Xbox customer support. So it all started when I was trying to hook up this controller to there and it would not sync, and I said, I already got it synced. I restarted it and it just got one light red ring. So, I actually kind of got a little scared. Microsoft is ticked off at me. So, what we are going to do is we're going to remove any game from the disk tray. I doubt if there's anything in the disk tray, because it will not open. I thought this still didn't have the red ring. I was wrong. So, next we are going to take the Xbox and turn it like this. Keep the Xbox on while you did that, though. You can see how it is still flashing red. That means that it is still on. So, power. Shut off the Xbox. Count to 3. Turn on the Xbox again. Be cautious. Okay. Never did that. It's good. That's good. Yet, boys, we got red ring. This is not my first time I got red ring. It's only my first time getting a red ring. When I was just trying to turn the sucker on. That is how you fix the 360. Be cautious, people. If you still have this 360, this peculiar 360, be careful. A red light may appear on your power button. Like, back in the day, like when I was young, when I get the red ring, I mostly got the 3 light. This is my first time getting the 1 light. It just means that something went wrong with the Xbox starting up, I think. But we fixed it. This may be called How to Fix 1 Light Red Ring on your Xbox 360. Bye now.